Hi, in this video we're going to talk about the difference between data scientist and data analyst because often those jobs are very similar. You might even see very similar job offers when you go online, so it's important to understand the difference in principle. So basically the main difference is that data scientist is more research oriented, whereas data analyst is more towards practical applications. Also their technical scope is somewhat different. So data scientist usually works with raw data, can use machine learning, can deploy different machine learning models and codes in Python. So most of the data analysis is done in Python, whereas data analyst is working with more pre-processed data. He or she can use SQL, R, or different business intelligence tools that can already do a little bit work for him. But on the other hand, he might have more expert knowledge. So the key difference to understand what's the point between making a difference between data scientist and data analyst is looking at people working at the bank or at the insurer, because that's the common place where you find both data scientist and data analyst. So in a bank or at the insurance company, data analyst is someone who has tremendous expert knowledge about insurance or banks, loans, and so on. And looking through data, but having no really coding background, he or she can extract various actionable insights because he knows what he's looking for. He knows what might be interesting. On the other hand, data scientist at the bank or at the insurance company is someone who doesn't have that expert knowledge. He's only learning more about banking as he goes along the way, but he has this background more in computing. He can code much better than data analyst, and thanks to that, he can find different things about the data that data analysts cannot find, and vice versa. So usually you have both data scientists and data analysts at those kind of large companies, and really it depends who you need and what kind of work you're doing and how much expert knowledge you need in order to extract the information. Both careers are great. You can both become a data scientist and data analyst with what we're talking here in this course. The main difference is really how much expert knowledge you have and can you use those other tools like SQL and different business intelligence tools. So that's the main difference between data scientist, data analyst, because the goal is the same: extract actionable insights and make that useful to other people in your company. Thank you for watching.